In this video I want to show you how you can import and export workflows, and you can eventually also sell them. But most likely for this course you can simply import my workflows and you can use them immediately. The first thing that you can do is, of course, you go on to your workflow. We have created this workflow in the last video, and if you press on these three dots, you see you can duplicate this workflow, you can download it, import from URL, import from file, settings, and delete. What I want to do right now is to simply press on download, and you see it here. This is right now a JSON format, so airtable.json. And if I go into my downloads right now, we can see it here. I simply throw it on my desktop. Let's just see, I throw it up here. Now it's on my desktop, and if I come back to n8n, if I press on overview, and if I press create new workflow, I can of course create a new workflow, and you can right now download my workflow. I will always link my workflows, and then you can import them by simply pressing on these three dots, import from file. And for me, it's of course this airtable.json. I press on it and I open it up. Right now it's imported, and you see also if I press on these that everything is filled out just like I have filled this out. So you do not have to type in all of this stuff, you do not have to worry about these variables, you can simply import the stuff. And I also want to show you this right here once again. If you go on templates, you see that other people give their templates either away for free, or like you saw previously, you can go on finance and you see that other people sell them $49, $25. Let's just press on engineering. Also here you find some workflows, some are for free, others are as cheap as $1, and you can set your own price. So if you are really great with these workflows, if you can create really good workflows, you can also sell them. But most likely to start out, you can simply import my workflows and you can play with them a little bit around. But like I said, I would really appreciate it if you make these workflows for yourself, because the goal of this course is of course to learn.